All right, let's now shift our attention to what is happening in the United States, where ever since the beginning of the pandemic, Donald Trump has constantly vouched for one miracle drug, hydroxychloroquine. Now, even with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration having revoked its emergency use status to treat COVID-19 patients, Donald Trump, believe it or not, hasn't stopped advocating it. Listen.
People that were seriously ill, they weren't going to make it. Let's give them a little hydroxy, and then they don't make it, and they say, oh, well, maybe the president was wrong. All I know is that we've had some tremendous reports. I've had a lot of people tell me that they think it saved their lives.
Now, the U.S. president's remarks come just hours after the FDA withdrew the emergency use authorization. In a letter, the FDA chief scientist said, and I quote here, "It is no longer reasonable to believe that the known and potential benefits of these products outweigh the known and potential risks of hydroxychloroquine." Now, the FDA had authorized the emergency use of hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine in the month of March after they were found to inactivate the virus in test tubes in certain test conditions. Since then, multiple controlled experiments have found that the two medicines are actually ineffective in treating COVID-19. The use of hydroxychloroquine has become a huge bit of a flashpoint during the pandemic, while it has received ringing endorsement from Donald Trump and also his Brazilian counterpart Jair Bolsonaro. Scientists have raised questions about its effectiveness in the battle against COVID-19. Two major clinical trials in the United Kingdom and also in Canada emphasized on the drug's lack of efficacy. Now, recently, HCQ was also the center of an academic scandal when the medical journal Lancet had to retract a study that claimed that the drug actually raised the risk of death due to cardiac arrest.